Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating a job on Qlik Remote Manager. So the first thing you need to do when you log in is go to the jobs under the work category. Once you're in here, go to the top right and click on add and then new job. The first thing you need to do is start typing the customer that you want to create the job for. However, you can create a new customer if you need to. Next, create the location address or select a location address. To create a new site, you can just click on new site on here. Next, we go to title and then you can put a title for the job. In this case, I'm just going to put call out. You can then change the status if you need to. So currently unassigned. And I've also got my category, which is call out. And I can also put a fault code if I need to. Next thing you might do is you might put the work to be done. So in this case, I'm going to say call out to check leak. Once you're happy with that, just click on save. If you need to put any general notes, you can do so down here. But if you're happy, just click on save on the top right hand side. Once that's saved, you can now think about adding some other things to your job. To do this, click on add. And you'll see times, materials, miscellaneous and documents. This is where you can add photos. You can also add action lists, equipment. You can also assign an engineer and you can also add existing systems or even create new systems. You'll also be able to go to work to be done again and put some more notes if you're required to. And then you've also got work done and notes as well. You can also get the customer's signature and also the engineer's signature. So in this case, we're creating the job for an engineer. So I might go into action list and give that engineer an action list. So the first thing I'm going to do is select a action list here, and it's going to be a dynamic risk assessment. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to click on add. I'm going to click on add again. I'm going to go to engineer, and I'm going to add an engineer to this job sheet. In this case, I'm going to select Simon Cox. I'm going to make sure it's ticked as all day, and I'm going to click Save. That's it. You've now created a job in Qlik Remote Manager. Thanks for listening.